Help for the Hungry is available in Pinellas County. A local family who just moved here from Oregon is talking about how this local nonprofit saved them during a time of crisis. So tonight we're taking action for your health and your family with information on how The Kind Mouse can help you, or if you're able, you can help them. 2-year-old twins Lucan and Zorian are happily munching on apples. But something as simple as a snack was not guaranteed for this family. Danny Hasselton works part-time as a nurse, and her partner, Lynette Carey, is looking for work.
Watching my family struggle, and then the shame that you go through, because there's shame in not being able to feed your family.
Danny came across a flyer for The Kind Mouse, a nonprofit food bank based out of St. Petersburg.
The families that we're serving are displaced professionals, people who are hard-working career people, who after many years were downsized or lost their career.
Danny came to The Kind Mouse and was able to pick up enough food to feed her family, the twins and 2 school-age kids, for about 2 weeks. So for now, they don't have to choose between paying the electric bill or buying food.
You really feel the weight lifted. There's no pressure, there's no discrimination. It's not like, oh, you can only have, 2 cans of this or 4 cans of this.
But being able to go to The Kind Mouse, that shame starts going away. And the minute the shame goes away, and your self-esteem begins to build, then the jobs come, and then the help comes, because you no longer have that cloud hanging over you.
We also offer career coaching, and we're not trying to make them reestablish themselves. We're just figuring once the food problem is taken off, that equation is off, we help them think outside the box, a little bit more clear. They feel human, and they can really think about what they want to do with their career.
And The Kind Mouse is also feeding at-risk kids in Pinellas County by providing them with some food to take home over the weekends when they're away from school. If you need their services, or you'd like to make a donation, or even if you want to attend their Mouse-Carade, the annual fundraiser at Ferg's, head over to my Facebook page. I'll link you to them. Just look for Linda Hurtado, WFTS, under Pages, and like the page.